Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I made a video just the other day about, can't remember what I called it, thinking out loud and how to draw things a little bit differently and how you can make something like this right here. So we're going to take a rectangle and I'm going to go to Object and convert it to a curve and then take away this node. That way I get a perfect triangle. I'm going to rotate this 135 degrees so I have a flat edge. And then you could take any shape. We're just going to use the shape I used. And I'm going to take a small rectangle. I'm going to round off the corners. I'm going to go ahead and put in one, and that's enough. So then I'm going to put it somewhere where it's like right there. And if you can see, have it snap to there. And then I'm going to make a duplicate. I can actually hold down the control button after I start moving it, and you get right there. Now we're going to set our nudge factor on like 1 inch, and we're going to nudge that in 1 inch, and we're going to nudge this in 1 inch. Then we're going to take these two, we're going to go to Effects and Blend. We'll blend them 8 times, and we get that. Now it is a blend, so you need to go to Object, Break, Blend Apart. It is kind of a group, but I think it's going to be better to group it together. And then go back up from it, select it all, and trim it. And what the trim's going to do, it's going to cut out that line between them. And then you could take your virtual segment delete key and swipe through there. And because we've kind of trimmed it, you're going to have to delete everything. A lot of times it might be easier to just grab your shape tool and come in and delete. Well, okay, Object, maybe ungroup them. And as long as break curve apart, select it again. That's probably because I didn't unblend it or ungroup it. So now you have this. It's not really complete because you've got this, so I would take the Smart Fill tool, fill it in with any color. We're going to move that out of the way. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this. And now we're going to take this and we're going to left click, no fill, right click, black. And we're going to double click on the rotation and put it right here. And we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. I didn't make a duplicate. So I'm going to go back to 0. It'll go the opposite way. Control D, Control D. Now you've got these 4 lines that you can very easily take the virtual segment delete key and just swipe through there. Now there's still broken parts, as you can see. So if you will take your Smart Fill tool on any color and move it out of the way, and now it's all one piece. Pretty cool. There's other ways that you could do that, but the more you know, the better off you are. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.